Oh, nice. This must be former Florida East Coast car. This car must be recently been refurbished. So, and it's Ridgedale. Nice. Well, here's one of two coaches, former Maine Eastern cars. This car is called the Ridgedale, formerly a Florida East Coast car, and this car will be, and this coach right here will be on the Whippany Railway Museum's Morristown Erie Railroad's Polar Express train will be running at the end of this year. So as you can notice, the gleaming paint right here, that means these cars were been restored at the M&E shops in Morristown. Here's an ex-NJ Transit coach. Also is going to be refurbished as well. And there's a diner, Santa Fe car, and here's the Birkin. Here's another car, pretty much also going. Here's another former New York Central coach, also being repainted, in the process of doing so. And these cars will be used on the, like I said, the Polar Express runs by the end of this year. Here's the next NJT coach, 1748, also being restored here at the Whippany Railway Museum. Also might be used by the end of this year. Here's Kitchen Gammy Club, a Pullman coach, Pullman car, private car, used by the Norfolk and Western. And here's another private car, also one of two ex-Union Pacific cars in the M&E roster, private car roster. This is Pacific Home, originally built for the Union Pacific Railroad. It's the same sister car of the Mount Vernon, also former Union Pacific in their roster. And here's Birkin, former Canadian National coach right here. Right here, look at this, former Norfolk Southern. Here's a Norfolk Southern car, research car. This is a research car. And this is car 32. And there's a former Erie caboose right down there. And we're looking west towards Morristown. And Roseland, we're heading east from here. Here's the interior of the Birkin. And here's Ypres. The only one of two dining cars, private rail cars used on the Amtrak system. Ypres seen here. And here's our NJ Transit car. One of 5 NJ Transit car, ex-NJT cars owned by Morristown Erie. 4 of them are up the hill, just a mile or so from this location, or somewhere like that. And this car, another one also originally owned by Maine Eastern. This is the interior dining car, outside dining car actually. And here's the interior of the ex-NJT cars. Very much Here's the control panel here. Here's the key. Hopefully another coach also being restored by the M&E sometime soon, just like the other FL9s. And here are the cabooses, and there's the water tower here. Here's more on one of the cabooses. This is the XD&H caboose. And there's 060 number 4039. Undergoing restoration and eventually return to service in the near future, but who knows? It may run again someday. There's XD&H caboose. And Hoopski Junction is the model trains. Here's the extension of the track here. They extended the line a little bit, the siding here a little bit down there, as you can see. Here's the station building, visitor center. And here's Southern Railway 280 number 385. Has been running since the mid 1970s. No longer in use. And there's two other private cars down here as well, no longer in use. And here's Jersey Coast. And as you can notice why UHS equipment used to be here, is no longer here. It actually got moved a few months ago back to Boonton, so their lease was up, so they moved it all back to Boonton, New Jersey. You can see here. And here's some other, some other station grounds. There's the caboose, XPR caboose. And here's Jersey Ghost. And the your 4X100 and NJT cars are up there, up that hill there at the storage yard right down there, pretty much. Once available space is done, and then they can move it all down here so we can use it. So, all right, guys. So yeah, so that was pretty good. Next train ride is until September 11th. Grandparents' Day. Tickets are on sale now. Buy your tickets today, soon. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video. Peace out, guys.